I made another animation again. This one is called camping. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a blast. See you. This one is also voice acted. So I decided to advance the video. So enjoy. Time for us to go camping. Let me make a fire. Sit down. Okay. What's that? I heard a sound. Let me go inside. Grab my flashlight and I'm gone. I saw a monster. Bro, don't be ridiculous. Go in the tent. Bro, what is that? Bro, that's the monster I told you about. Run! Ah! 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 Get in the van. Okay, I'm going. This is the last time I'm ever going camping. Let's get out. Okay, last time I'm ever going camping. Bye-bye.